Mnemonic for aortic dissection is dissect, and dissect mnemonic include duration, D for duration of disease, I for intimal tear, S for segmental disease, S for size of dissected aorta, E for extent of dissected aorta, C for clinical complications, and T for thrombus in false lumen. So I repeat, the mnemonic for aortic dissection is dissect, D for duration of disease, I for intimal tear, S segmental disease, S size of the dissected aorta, E extent of dissected aorta, C clinical complications, D is thrombus in the false lumen. Thank you.